Yep, you heard it right. IGTV will be no more, as Instagram has revealed they're going to be getting rid of IGTV and replacing it with a new Instagram video. But what does that mean to us as creators? How does it change things, and what should we be aware of moving forward? In today's video, I'm going to be going through the new update and how you can make the most of Instagram features to ensure continued growth and success of your account. Because after all, as Instagram keeps evolving and bringing new updates, so should your own strategy evolve and adapt to these changes. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham and I'm a multi-award-winning social media and business performance coach, and I help ambitious business owners and entrepreneurs just like yourself to position themselves online as the go-to authority in their own industry so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. If you would like to see my weekly trainings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so Instagram has announced IGTV will be no more, and instead they're going to be introducing Instagram video. What this means is that the new Instagram video will be a combination of both IGTV and feed videos, so they will now become one. You will still have access to a preview of your video available to be displayed on your feed, so just as before with a 60-second preview limit. However, instead of having an IGTV tab on your profile, there will now be a video tab instead, and their viewers can access all of your video content, whether you have a preview on your feed or not. Instagram Reels will still have its separate tab though, so that video content will still remain on its own. And don't worry, all of your previous IGTV videos will not disappear with this new update. They will simply now be available in the new Instagram Videos tab as an Instagram video. So why have this update, you may be thinking, what is the point? Well, we have seen a lot of Instagram updates as of late, and my view on it is just that they are evolving, developing and making improvements to the platform and giving us more of what we want to help the overall user experience. IGTV has always been another separate part of the app, and this way they're bringing the features more together and they're streamlining them. And they haven't just stopped there with the new Instagram video. So they have improved its features for us. So once we upload the video by pressing the plus sign, just as before with IGTV, but now before we hit publish, we're going to have many more new features available. So these features will include adding filters to the video and trimming the video, which will help massively, because gone will be the days of having to trim, in particular the beginning and the end of your videos, in another external app before you can then bring it across and upload it to the Instagram app itself, which will just help massively. And there will also be options to add captions as well as tagging people and locations, which is really great. Okay, so in recent months we have been getting lots of new updates about Instagram, and they've been saying how it's no longer just a photo sharing app and how video is taking more of the front seat with the types of content that people want to see and consume on social media in general. And with Instagram, you can see how this is evolving, and Instagram video is just a new and improved update to the platform to go alongside this. So what does this mean to your strategy on Instagram with the different video features and the different types of content that you've now got available? So Instagram video, it enables you to engage fully with your audience because you can spend time talking to them, educating them and sharing your stories. So use this feature to build relationships and to increase your own credibility and authority on the app. Instagram Reels, they are short form video. So use this feature to reach new audiences and to entertain your audience. Now stories, everyone knows Instagram stories are still one of my favorite features because they are extremely powerful when they are used in the right way. Instagram stories are there to nurture your relationships with your current followers. They are there to show behind the scenes and everyday moments through using various static posts as well as video posts, and whilst encouraging engagement from those who actually view your stories. And then finally, Instagram Lives. So lives, they should be used for real-time connection, speaking directly with your audience and letting people get to know the real you. Okay, so That is all the information that we have right now, and the new feature is going to be gradually rolled out, so don't worry if you don't have it yet. And as always, I love hearing feedback from you guys, so let me know in the comments if you have found this video useful, what you think about this new update, and if you have any other questions on it. And as always, let me know what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.